In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Getresponse from scratch. We'll start right from the dashboard, and by the end, you'll have a simple, clean landing page that's ready to collect leads. First, once you're logged into your account, look for the main navigation menu and go to Tools, then choose Landing Pages. This is where all of your existing pages live and where you can create new ones. To begin a fresh project, click on Create Landing Page. When the template options appear, instead of choosing a pre-designed one, select Build from Scratch. This gives you maximum control and keeps things clean and lightweight. From the layouts, pick the simplest one, usually a single column layout, and then click Use Template to open it in the editor. Now you'll be inside the drag and drop editor where we'll build the layout. Start by clearing the canvas. Most default templates include placeholder text, images, or buttons. Click on any element you don't need and use the trash icon to delete it. The goal is to end up with a blank or nearly blank page so you're designing only what you actually want visitors to see. Next, start adding the elements you do want. On the right-hand side, you'll see a toolbar with blocks such as text, image, button, and form. Drag a text block onto the page for your main headline and maybe a short subheading beneath it. Add an image block if you want to showcase a product shot, a logo, or an illustration. Drag in a button block to create your main call to action, like sign up or get started, and finally drop in a form block if you want to capture emails or other details. To customize anything, simply double-click the element. A floating menu will appear, letting you change fonts, colors, alignment, and links. This is where you match the page to your brand. Adjust the headline text, set button colors, and link the button to your sign-up form or another URL. Take your time here. Clarity and contrast are key so your main call to action stands out. Before you move on, switch to the mobile view by clicking the mobile icon at the top of the editor. This shows you how your page will look on phones. Drag and reposition elements so they stack nicely, make sure text is easy to read, and confirm that buttons are large enough to tap comfortably. When you're happy with both desktop and mobile, click Next Step in the top right corner. Here you'll configure the basic settings. Enter a clear page title. This is what people might see in their browser tab and search results, so make it descriptive. Then choose your URL. You can use the free Getresponse subdomain that ends in taj.web.site, or connect your own custom domain if you have one set up. After that, select the email list where new leads from this landing page should be added, so every sign-up goes straight into the right list for further campaigns and automations. Once everything looks correct, click Publish. Getresponse will generate your live link, and your landing page is now online and ready to share.